Good morning, guys. Today, I'm going to share about countries and nationalities. Okay, so before we dive in, how many countries in the world? We have 195 countries. So 195 countries in the world. And then how many continents? Like seven, but only six, right? Like Asia, like this, Africa, uh, Australia, South America, North America, Europe, Antarctica, right? So, but Antarctica mostly we don't talk about, or Antarctica. Okay, so let's dive in. Country. So there are different like country and nationality, right? So country we say like example, the USA, the United States, but who live in United States we call them American, right? American, like that. And then like that, like Brazil or China. China, Chinese, right? So China, Chinese, but still we have the like the stress, China. We stress here, so China, Chinese. If you are from China, so we call you Chinese. If you are from China, we call you Chinese, like that. And then if you are from Brazil, if you are from Brazil, so some nationalities we add, you know, what is this? Or we add mm, like IAN. Some nationalities we add ES, like that. Okay, like Brazil, Brazilian. Here is we stress like Brazil, and then Brazilian, Brazilian. Okay, China, Chinese, Brazil, Brazilian. Okay, and then if you're from like Japan, so Japanese, like that. So Japanese or Japanese, right? And then if you're from England, we call you English. Okay, but if you're from the UK, so we call you not English, or the whole UK we call them British, right? British. But if you're from the only England, we'll call you English. We call people who from England, we call them English. But if you're from UK, we'll call you British. Okay, and then like Colombia. So Colombian, if you're from like what is that? Ecuador. So Ecuadorian, and then Argentina, Argentinian. So if you're from like Thailand, we'll call you Thai, or Indonesia, Indonesian. And then what is this? Korea, Korean. And then so some nationality we add IN like SE, like that. So SE, Korean. If you're from Poland, we'll call you Polish. If you're from like what is this? Oh, Germany, Germany, right? If you're from Germany, to Germany, and then German, German. So we have to stress. And then if you write country and nationality, we start with a capital letter, because they are proper noun, right? That's why we have to start with a capital letter. And then if more than one syllable, like a two syllable, there's a stress, right? Germany, German. So like Russia, Russian, Italy, Italian, and then what is Jordan or Jordanian, call like that. Asia, what is Singapore, Singaporean, right? Mexico, Mexico. So Mexican, Mexico, Mexican, Mexico, and then Canada. So Canadian, right? So Canadian, right? And then Canadian. So Canada. We have to stress here Canada, Canadian. So Canadian, the stress is not the same. So Canadian, Canada, like that. So these all are country and nationality. So how many countries we have in the world? 195. Okay, and then languages. So like China, Chinese, and what language do Chinese people speak? Like it can be Chinese, but there's like Mandarin and Cantonese, right? Mandarin and Cantonese, like Korea, Korean, and Korean. So Korean people speak Korean. If someone asks you, where are you from? Oh, I'm from Korea. And then I'm from South Korea. And then what is your nationality? I'm Korean. What language do you speak? Korean. Okay. So, but some country like what is it? Oh, Brazil. They have like different Brazilian, but language Brazil speak. There's no Brazilian language. Okay, they speak Portuguese. So Portuguese can be like that, like Canada. So Canadian, but in Canada, there are two main languages. Those are what's this? Or French and English, like that. Like what is Montreal, that city. Oh, they speak French mostly. They speak French like that. So some country like that. So like they like Singapore also. Like Singapore, they speak Chinese and then English. Okay, like official language is English, but they also use Chinese in Singapore. Okay, so you can dive more. You can do by yourself. This is how we learn. What is it? So how many countries in the world? So people, the country like Russia, Russian, right? Italy, Italian. So this is the country. This side is nationality, right? We have languages. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. So hope to see you next video. Bye bye.